So here are a few poses that we do in the yoga and movement circle. Top left, stretching, hinge forward, hands on the chair. Feels really good to the spine. It's great for the shoulders. The top right, full body stretch. It's great for the sides of the body. I like to tell my students, think of pulling a string from the ankle, hip, shoulders out the fingers and elongate the body. Bottom left, just a full forward stretch. It's great for the calves, hamstrings. It gets the blood circulating into the legs. And then the one on the right bottom, we do this a lot. We sit at the edge of the chair and pull the shoulders back. Deep breathing. We need lots of oxygen. We're working on our posture a lot and using the core to hold us up. Here's some on the mat yoga that we do. Top left, this is called bridge. This is great for your front hip flexors. It helps you get up and down stairs. So we want to strengthen this area of our hips. The top one next to it, this is really good if you have sciatic nerve pain. Just pulling the legs in towards you. Bottom left, this is squat. We come into squat, and even if you have your ankles up, it's a little bit easier. I like to do it that way with my hands flat on the ground. But when you kind of roll your body weight onto your elbows, it's a great hip opener. And if you have a lot of stiffness in your hips from sitting, it's an excellent pose to come into squat. And then happy baby. It's a little bit more advanced, but it's doable and we can work our way into it, and I can give you modifications to do. But this is also another really great hip opener too. Here's some examples of standing yoga. So we just do really simple, easy yoga. We don't do really difficult pretzel poses, but as the top left, we just bring our arms up and we do some circles. The top right one is called tree. And I tell my students, if you're having a challenge with balance, because this is a balance pose, you can put one hand on a chair. So we always have a chair next to us, and you can work your way into deeper, more balancing pose such as this. The bottom left is called chair pose, like we're going to sit down onto a chair, and this elongates the spine. It's a really great spinal pose. And then the bottom right, it looks hard, her touching her ankle, but again, we have that chair next to us and we always can use that as a modification. So it's just a really great full body stretch there. And lastly, I just wanted to throw in the beginner's weights because we do dumbbells. We want to strengthen our muscles, strengthen our bones. And I hope that gives you an idea of what some of the exercises that we do in the yoga and movement circle.